Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to sign up or create wallet in MyEtherWallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your MyEtherWallet app. So once you open this app, you will end up in this page. So simply tap on create a wallet. Once you do this, you will end up in this page where all you need to do is simply scroll down and tap on create a wallet. Once you are done with this, you need to now create a PIN for your wallet and then retype your PIN for confirmation. You can also enable biometrics or simply skip this part. After you are done with this, you need to go through it and tap on start using new wallet. So you can also back up your wallet by tapping on backup now and start. After you are done with this, you need to now type in your PIN code to back up your wallet. After this, you will get some recovery phases which you need to double check and you are backed up and your new wallet account has been created and you are signed up. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.